Hello friends, this video will teach you how to use iPhone Passcode Genius to remove locks from iPhone without a password. There are 4 powerful functions on this iOS password unlocker. The first function, also the most popular one, is to unlock iPhone lock screen with password. Before we go ahead, you should make sure iTunes is installed on your computer. Now open iPhone Passcode Genius. Choose Unlock Lock Screen. Click Start. Now connect the iPhone to your computer. And you should put your iPhone into recovery mode. Now click the Next button on the software. Your iPhone model name and firmware version is displayed here. Click Download to download the firmware package online. Just wait during this process. Okay, now you should pay attention to the note text. If you can accept this, click the Unlock to remove iPhone screen lock. Well done, the iPhone is unlocked successfully. Now it restarts on the Hello screen. You can set it up quickly. If needed, you can create a passcode to protect your iPhone data again. Alright, your iPhone can be used normally now. The second function is to remove Apple ID from iPhone without password. First of all, you should make sure the iPhone is activated, or you will fail in the end. If Find My iPhone feature is disabled on your iPhone, no matter which iOS version your iPhone has, this software can help to remove Apple ID account without password. Now just connect your iPhone to the computer. Then run iPhone Passcode Genius and select Remove Apple ID. Your iPhone device type is detected here. Now click the Start button to go ahead. Oh, the Apple ID is removed successfully. And you can set up the iPhone with a new Apple ID. If Find My iPhone is enabled and your iPhone iOS version is below 11.4, you should reset all settings before removing Apple ID. Click Remove Apple ID. Click Start. Then go to your iPhone. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings, enter the screen passcode. Tap Reset all settings. Back to the software, the removing process is on the way. Okay, you see the successful message. If Find My iPhone is enabled and your iPhone iOS version is 11.4 or later, you need to enable two-factor authentication. Now let's go. Connect your iPhone to the computer and launch the software. Click Remove Apple ID. click Start. Make sure screen lock is on, enter 0000 and click the Next button. Make sure two-factor authentication is on. Tap Settings. Tap your name. Tap Password and Security. See, two-factor authentication is on. Enter 0000 and click the Next button. You need to download the firmware package online. Click the Download button. Pay attention to the note. If everything is okay, click the Remove button. When the unlocking process is complete, your iPhone restarts. Click Next and you will get the steps to unlock Apple ID with device passcode. Tap Unlock with Passcode. Tap Use Device Passcode. Enter the screen passcode to continue. OK, now the Apple ID is removed successfully. Now comes the screen time function. iPhone Passcode Genius can help to remove screen time restriction without passcode. Just make the iPhone connected. Open the software. Click Remove Screen Time Passcode. You should turn off Find My iPhone firstly. OK, Find My iPhone is off now. Click Start to remove screen time restriction. Congratulations, the screen time restriction is removed and no data loss on your iPhone. Lastly, let's cover the Remove MDM restriction function. If your iPhone shows it is supervised and managed by others, and you want to get rid of this restriction, this software can help you to do that. Just make your iPhone connected to the computer and tap Trust on the iPhone screen. Open iPhone Passcode Genius. Click Remove MDM. You should confirm Find My iPhone is disabled on your iPhone. Then click the Start button. Soon, the supervision restriction is removed from your iPhone. That's all for the video.